Hey guys, today I received this through express delivery. It is a gift, and this is the DJI Neo 2, which is an upgraded version of the first one that I unboxed last time, the DJI Neo. And I'm so excited to see what's inside the box. And yeah, let's see. And this is the box only, the aircraft only, and because they don't have the stock for the DJI Neo 2 combo, so we can add some battery later. I think these are the extra propeller guards that comes with the box. And what else? This is the aircraft itself. This one. Oh, this is very nice. According to the description, this is like 150 grams heavier a little bit compared to the first series, which was only 135 grams. So this is a little bit heavier, and it has some upgraded features like obstacle avoidance and some see this one. It also have the, what do you call this one? I don't know, but let's see. This is really nice. This is better than the first one. So I will be trying to take some videos or take it to the test first when I have the time. And that's pretty much it. I'm excited to try this one. The other one I haven't tried it, so maybe later when I have the time I will make a comparison video to see which one is more to your liking, and then you can just buy which one is better for you. So I'm excited to try this one out. So that's what comes with the DJI Neo, the aircraft only, 2 propeller guards, and the cable, and it also has the manual, the cable, USB-C cable, and that's what's inside the box. And I will be posting some videos when I try to fly this one in the open, and we will see the difference with the first series. So that's it, guys. This is the DJI Neo 2. See you in my next unboxing, if there is any. And that's it.